Welcome to all. Welcome to our channel. Today we discuss concept versus short trick. So how to crack different types of competitive exam. Today we discuss. So if you get more concept, then you will success in your life. But at first I discuss about myself. Myself Tanmoy Haldar. I have completed my BSc from under the University of Calcutta from Surendranath College, and after completed my graduation, then I have completed my MSc from Indian Institute of Technology, Indian School of Mines, Dhanbad. Then now I am pursuing PhD in organic chemistry in total synthesis from Indian Institute of Technology. I have completed 5 hours in research in organic chemistry. So now I can realize something. So I just share with you. So today I discuss some content. So please follow our discussion. So friends, at first I discuss here concept. So if you friends, here number 1 concept and number 2 short tricks, which is very important. So today we discuss when you get some concept on the chapter with depth. So after in case problem solve, you can easily solve the simple types of problem, and then you can easily solve the simple problem. But here the in case numerical problem, you can solve that if you can remember some types of equation, some types of derivation and some key points. If you remember, then numerical problem is you also solve. But in case medium problem, you also solve here. But in case miscellaneous problem, which is very important here, miscellaneous problem. But in case miscellaneous problem, you also solve when you get the deep concept on the chapter. But in case shortcut, if you get some, if you apply when some tricks, then problem is here. When your problem, when your question is very simple, then you can answer. And if you don't read any book, then you can solve the simple problem. Simple problem is given for all students, you also solve that. But in case numerical problem, you also solve or not, it can depend of you. It can depend of you solve or not, because you also remind the shortcut tricks. If your trick is common, then you can solve this numerical problem, and if your tricks is not common, then you cannot solve the numerical problem. But in case of medium problem, you also solve that. But the miscellaneous problem you cannot solve by using shortcut trick, because in case miscellaneous problem, there are several types of example present which are more conceptual. So you cannot attend any types of using shortcut tricks. As an example, I also show here the simple reaction here presents. Here the most of the important thing is this product you can guess before done the mechanism. So here I also show here 2 bond when cis manner, this bond, this system is also cis manner. So when this system you use, you also get the product. The stereochemistry is here, 2 bond is upward side. Here cannot you get other diastereomer, other product, other trans product. So you can get this product. So this one is used here shortcut trick. So in present sodium hydrogen carbonate, sodium bicarbonate is a mild base. So in present mild base, you also get this product. But when we use NaOH solution concentrated, this stereochemistry is changes. There some trans bond is may be formed. But so here short tricks is not apply in other system, but shortcut tricks is apply when you use this system. But that is the most important reaction from the topics belongs to iodolactonization. So in case iodolactonization, at first the iodine here at first incorporate here, then formation of lactone. So at the first step is here iodine as form here epoxide when you follow the mechanism. Then after formation of this epoxide, then the in present sodium hydrogen carbonate, here the minus charge is formed here, which can attack on the upward side of the plane. So it can attack upward side of the plane. So that is the very important term. So you get the product. So this problem we also solve by using our concept So if you have don't concept, you cannot solve this problem. So please follow here. Don't use any types of shortcut tricks. You also use only concept, which is the only dose. Concept is the very important. So concept, when you follow here, the some types of problem solved. Simple problem you also solve here. Numerical problem you also solve here, because the all formula, all synthesis steps you know, and all miscellaneous example you also solve that, and all medium class problem is solved here. But if you follow the shortcut tricks, if the problem is common on the examination center, then you also can write. But the problem when not common in your examination, you cannot solve that, because here the miscellaneous example you cannot solve here. And in case examination, any types of IIT JAM and GATE, NET, SET या GSI examination, here simple problem there are present only 10%, numerical problem 30%, and medium problem 50%, and then miscellaneous type of problem here 20% say 30% minimum miscellaneous problem they are present. So you cannot solve that miscellaneous problem. So this marks 30 marks here 20 marks is very important to clear your, to crack the examination, to crack your any types of competitive exam. So you also follow the conceptual thing. So our group Kemondas also express to all and welcomes to all people and all students with conceptual manner. So we also study and also follow our Kemondas YouTube discussion. So you will find the some way, some tricks and some concept. So there we also not follow any types of shortcut rules, but we also supplied and provided at last shortcut rules. But our target is to complete totally conceptually and of any topic, any chapter. So the total policy we also discuss. Hello friends, now we discuss our Kemondar. If you want to join Kemondar group, which facility we also provide. Here the course is 6 month to 8 month duration. We also cover the all syllabus with concept, deep concept, where we use concept with your individual problem we also solve, and problems with solution, at which question any types of problem if you cannot realize, then we also solve your problem any types of solution. And then previous year question paper solved, we also provide 10 years set and the previous year question paper. And then if you cannot solve any types of problem, you can contact, then we provide some videos and with your personal email ID, then we solve. If you, as like suppose one example, if you don't find the one example FMO approach of the electrocyclic reaction, so we also study this type of problem and solve in our videography method, then we also send you on email. So then you can get the YouTube video free. It is totally free for all students, which is no cost here. And here doubt clear session is there present, where you discuss any types of problem and by personally in your doubt clear session. And then so total course is complete in 6 months to 8 months. So total course is complete with 6 months to 8 months. So contact with our Kemondars group. So we also discuss of the group. My contact number is 6204841571. You can contact on this number, and I also show here on a PowerPoint form of any course and any structure, any subject. So my contact number is, just remember, 6204841571.